11th of June 2021. This is Melkonkuja, Melkonkuja, and 8 Stekisei. We have also been in the Stekisei here. It was built in 1976 by ValmetSchlieren. It's only 45 years old this year in 2021. It will be inspected again, and the serial number is VS4808. The capacity is 4 persons or 305 grams with some floors. This is in Vattuniemi, Halones, a part of Lauttasaari, rooms in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Second right.
Inspekteerparkgewijs that maintained both, so now describe this.
Well maintenance.
Yeah.
Back to the ground floor. Sadly, it's without memory.
I think it doesn't matter. It's faster without memory. You don't have to wait. Or it starts immediately.
Yes. But still, memory is even more amazing.
I think not. But yeah.
It depends.
But floor indicator is more amazing.
Yeah, but with floor indicator and windows, that is quite rare. The combination of a window and
Yeah.
a floor indicator.
That's
it.